Hello folks, Sarah Otley here from SJO Accountants. Just sat listening there to the Chancellor's announcements with regard to self-employed individuals and thought I would give my slant on it and hopefully explain aspects of it that you might need some clarity on as far as is available at the moment. So he has announced a taxable grant, which basically means that the earnings that you receive would be declared on your future tax returns. So you will be expected to pay tax on these, much the same as an employee would on their furlough. That is going to be taxable income as well. So there will be tax to be paid on that. They're going to pay 80% of the average of your last 3 years tax returns. If you've got 3 years worth of tax returns, if you've done accounts and tax returns for those 3 years, that's fine. That will be averaged. If it's less than 3 years, they will average it over the number of years that you have filed it, and that's probably also fine. But with regard to newly self-employed individuals, they have basically excluded them from the scheme altogether. So anybody who has registered as a new self-employed individual during the 1920 tax year has been excluded from that. What he has also done is said that anybody who should have filed a tax return for the 2019 year and hasn't as yet, they have 4 weeks from today, today being the 26th of March, so 4 weeks from today to file their tax returns and be included in this scheme. So for any of you out there who have or should have done a tax return for the 2019 year, you have 4 weeks from today to do that. Unfortunately, the payments he's talking about won't be made until June, which is really very, very disappointing for a lot of self-employed individuals who are currently struggling to make ends meet. He will backdate that, so you'll get 3 months payment in one go in June, end of May, beginning of June is what he's saying at the moment. He's referring self-employed individuals to the Universal Tax Credit Scheme to apply for that and ask for advance funding on any application there. He's also saying that they are entitled to business interruption loan fund as well, although we have had clients having issues there with regard to getting access to that, but he has opened that up now for self-employed individuals, so you should maybe give that a consideration if that's something that you're looking for. And he's also deferred the self-assessment payment on account at the end of July to the following January, but again, that's all coming a wee bit late for a number of people who were hoping to get something a little bit sooner. He has put a cap on it and it's only eligible for people who get the majority of their income from self-employment. So on your tax calculation, it'll be if the majority of your income comes from self-employment, and it is only applicable to those with trading profits of less than £50,000. So that tax calculation line needs to say the majority of your earnings are coming from self-employment and that those earnings are less than 50,000. I'm just checking what else he's mentioned. Yes, for those people who will be entitled, HMRC will contact them directly over the course of the coming weeks and most likely months to make those applications available to you. So that is as it stands at the moment from the information that we have. So hopefully it gives you some indication as to the help that's coming, but I understand it's not coming quick enough. So look at those other options in terms of the business interruption loan and the universal credit and advanced funding on that. If you need any more information, you know where we are. Thank you, folks. I'll talk to you soon. Bye bye.